What's the meaning of correspond? Correspond. Correspond.
Correspond. Correspond. The word correspond refers to a relationship between two things that match or are in agreement with each other. For instance, if two people exchange letters, they correspond with each other. In the context of communication, corresponding typically implies back-and-forth exchange over a period of time. When two things correspond with each other, it suggests that they are complementary or symmetrical. This word can also refer to similarities between different objects or concepts. Essentially, correspond means that there is a connection or compatibility between two or more things.